Amazon, and it's called the Samantone 18-inch LED ring light kit 55W, whatever that means, 5500K dimmable 240 LED ring light kit with 2 meters light stand. Works with smartphone, so an SLR camera and video shoot as well. So I'm just gonna open that up, unbox it, and review it. So I'll be back after I do inside that. This box is the ring light, so we're just gonna open that up. Packaging was so hard to open. The sellotape, although lots of sellotape on it. But just opening the box now and I'll let you see inside. There's like a case in here. So this is the case here. It comes in, if you can see it okay. Inside the case here, we've got the ring light. Okay, so we got this here. I don't know what this is. This is what else is in the little case. We have this little, I'm not sure what you call this thing again. It's like something like that, little lead on it, like this. But when we piece it together, we'll know what's what. I've got this little thing as well, this little plug. And we have this one, so there's a lot of different leads and stuff like that with it. And there's another thing here with open. When we piece it together, we'll know what's what anyway. So just got this little thing. Remote shutter. It says here remote shutter. I think that's the thing, to change the lightings to different settings. And I've got this little thing there. If anybody knows what any of these things are, just comment below because I'm kind of confused what's what right now. Well, I know what this is. I think I know what it is. Okay. Stand for the ring light. And 1 minute, guys. This is right, but I actually got 2 ring lights. Like, here's the 2 cases. I unboxed 2 light rings in the one box. I'm kind of confused. Maybe there's I need 2 of these here, but I'm not too sure I got 2. But I checked to see what these little orange plasticky things for. They're for around the ring light for lighting. Yeah, buttons here, ones on. They kind of just fix into the thing like a jigsaw piece. You just kind of click them in like so. That's just really all you do. But I'm not using these orange ones here, so I don't need these here. Little orange ring light things. I'm just going to put them back into the bag instead that they came in. We're going to move on to the next thing then. I got this little piece then. It's like this here in it, and what we're going to do with it. After a long time trying to figure out what that little screw thing was, the little thing I showed you, it's actually, I'll turn it around here, it's for the camera. So this little bit here is for placing the camera in. Yeah, it took me a while to know what to do. So okay guys, so from the spare set that I got, I'm going to show you. The stand comes like this here, okay, and you turn it upside down to this way and you stretch it out as far as you can, and it becomes like this here one here, stretched out. So to set it higher, the stand, you have to, this little thing here on the side, and you just twist it. 1 minute. If I can get it, sorry guys. I'm tightening it instead. So you just do that, just to hold it up. Got it up to the height I want it to be then. And I tighten this little guy here on the side. Okay guys, once you've got the stand all fixed, then you get the ring light, and the ring light kind of has this little, you just kind of pop it in, and you screw it on tight, the little screw at the back to tighten it up, and then you screw it on in at the side one, and that just, you know, balances the ring light then, so it won't kind of fall down. This little thing here, this is for, like, you know, placing on top of here to put your phone on, so I'll get that done now. So now I've got this attached now for the phone onto the ring light. And now we're just going to get plugged in now and just see what it's like. So on the ring light we had, like, we got with the package, we got 3 different little leads. So I'm kind of wondering how to connect this up, so fingers crossed it actually works, because on the little, this little, what do you call it, is it an AC adapter? It says about it's hazardous and stuff like that. And I'm just worried. I worry too easy. I worry about everything. But I plugged it up anyway. I plugged it into this. And then I plugged that into another thing, and it just, we'll put it in now and we'll see now. Okay guys, that's our ring light, and it looks pretty good, so I'm happy with the results. I had to wait 3 minutes before I could kind of, you know, put it to the right kind of light, the way I want it, so it's pretty good. Yeah, so I'm waiting forward to using that in my videos. And if you'd like to ask any more questions about the light, then you can message me down below. So yeah, I'll let you go now guys, I must go, so bye, and keep liking and keep subscribing for many more videos. I've got loads of ideas coming in, so bye.